What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just want to give you guys a quick breakdown on the trades that I ended up taking today, which, as you guys can see, I made 9 grand today on some SPX longs and ended up losing money on some shorts earlier, but ended up making a total of roughly around like $16,000-$17,000 on these longs, which was a pretty solid position, a pretty solid trade. Ended up making back losses from the shorts that I ended up taking. So let's go over both trades. So originally I was too kind of stuck and focused on this 3-minute time frame, which is why I actually ended up going short here on SPX or on ES. So price action had formed this area of resistance in the early market mornings. You guys see the market open. It's roughly over here. We push up, held resistance, and then price dumped back down to support. Didn't take this trade at support. Price broke above this resistance range. Started giving us a ton of rejection, a ton of weakness towards the upside. So when price action ended up breaking back under this resistance range, I ended up taking the shorts. Now, what did the R multiple look like on these shorts? Well, it was very simple. Stops were just really right above the zone, and targets was the same area of previous support that price had rejected in the morning for a 3.5 R multiple. Now, price action dumped, and I was up around 1.5 R, which is almost halfway to targets. Now, this is when I should have moved my stops to break even, but I didn't. I got greedy. Price pulled all the way back, stopping me out. Then, once price action closed above this area, we had price action push back down into the range. Then we can actually see here on the footprints that we did have aggressive selling start stepping in here, but there wasn't a ton of aggressive selling like there was down here where you had a complete failure of sellers. So we do have aggressive selling stepping in here. There was also some rest in liquidity inside of this range here as well. So once price action started to actually go bullish, again, after this failure from the sellers, that's when I actually started to execute myself into some long positions. Now, what did this exactly look like? Went long roughly around here. Stop loss was just right under the zone here because I was looking for price to actually hold above that selling imbalance. And really, I was targeting the 509s, which is what I was kind of telling my students here, is that I'm looking for price action to come up into the 509s. Or if price action breaks under the 492s, then we can look for some longer term shorts here. So this is what the trade setup ended up looking like. And as price action started to pump, I ended up actually closing the position roughly around here for a 3R multiple, making my loss back plus some more on top. So just wanted to give you guys a quick breakdown. I do have a more in-depth breakdown, not on these trades, but on how I made roughly $85,000 in the last 2 weeks, on how you could trade these higher time frame or these lower time frame conditions when price action is at all-time highs. So I'll post that video later for you guys on YouTube, and I'll post it on here as well. Other than that, guys, just want to give you guys a quick breakdown on my $9,000 trading day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.